Here we got 2010 Subaru Liberty, and this car is kind of hard to start or no, doesn't fire up. It cranks but doesn't fire up. And we kind of and the forgot to do the cam angle sensor. I don't remember exactly. So at the moment, so we just scoped crank and the cam waveforms. So this I'll show you here. Okay, and we have checked the online resources, so the timing is right. So and the forecourt hasn't come in back yet. So maybe I'll look for the sparks or injector, fuel. Yeah, we have an injector hoses. Yeah, no. So then, so we got sparks, we got injector control, and I can hear fuel pump is doing something when the ignition is on. I'm not sure, can you hear? One more time. This is the setup I got here. I'm not sure. Don't worry about this line. These two fuel lines is to supply to the fuel injectors, and I'm not sure which one's return, one's in, one's out. So I'm going to do just see if one of them have a fuel coming out or not. Of course, I'm not sure it's this going this way or that come out this way. So yeah, just set up like this, and yeah, and I turn the ignition on, see if I've got fuel. If not, I will go from this side, do a same test of this one. Okay. Yeah, alright, I've done the test. Then my colleague came over and helped me out, so I couldn't do it by myself. So there's a fuel card, and apparently this is the inlet, the fuel supply to the injectors. So let me put a fuel gauge, fuel pressure gauge there, see how it's there. For the oil, so if you look at closely, how well I can see here, for the oil. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I removed all the spark plugs and the ignition coils. The ignition coils were full of engine oil, so I'll give a quick clean. And I removed the fuel pump fuse. Was it this one? Right, so now I'm going to crank the car to kind of see if I can clean the cylinder chamber. And right, I put all the spark plugs and the ignition coils back. Fuel pump fuse back. So I'm going to start the car now. Hopefully we'll get something. Right, car's running out. I had to hold the throttle. Right, keep doing that. Yeah, I had to hold the throttle a little bit higher. Alright, car's running. Okay. Right, I'm not sure how well you can see the condition, the throttle body. Yeah, I think I'm going to clean out the throttle body and then see what happens. I have cleaned out the throttle body. So, I'll just show you guys at the back of this vehicle. Back of this Liberty. There's a white smoke out of it. Yeah, I think it's burning engine oil really badly.